ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾನಸ ಅಂತ. ನನಗೆ ಉಸಿರಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತಹ ತೀವ್ರವಾದಂತಹ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪರಿಣಾಮಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನನಗೆ SS ಸ್ಪರ್ಶ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ RR ನಗರ್ ಈ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ನನಗೆ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಜಿನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನಿಧಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ಮು ನನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು.
Hello, I'm Dr. Rajani Surender Bhatt, pulmonologist and palliative medicine physician at Sparsh Hospitals, Rajajeshwari Nagar. Mrs. Manasa was referred to us from Mysore by one of my colleagues there. He was very concerned because this patient had had multiple hospitalizations with severe pneumonia requiring ICU care. She had developed ARDS on more than one occasion and now had post-ICU syndrome with significant weakness, critical illness neuropathy, and muscle weakness as well. She was referred to us for inpatient pulmonary rehabilitation. We worked on her condition by addressing the medical problems as well as the rehab-related issues. We used the breathing, thinking, functioning model of rehabilitation in helping her achieve the goals that she wanted. We worked with optimizing her medications and optimizing the physical therapy, occupational therapy that was needed for her to get back to leading an active life.
Manasa was admitted in our hospital for undergoing the pulmonary rehab program. On admission, she had weakness of the proximal muscles and required 2 liters of oxygen throughout the day. She was very anxious and required assistance in performing all activities of daily living. Her exercises were focused on improving her strength, breathing, endurance, and walking. She was trained in performing activities of daily living, initially with oxygen and later without oxygen support. At discharge, she is able to walk a distance of 200 meters without oxygen and can perform most of the activities of daily living without any oxygen.
Manasa is now back to her active life, recovering well. We are very happy with the outcomes that we are able to achieve as a team of pulmonologists and rehabilitation specialists for patients with conditions like Manasa.
ಉತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ವಿತೌಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ನಡಿಬಲ್ಲೆ, ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಲ್ಲೆ. ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.